CAOS has a huge range of four-wheel drive recovery products, and we are proud to release our two new soft shackles. These soft shackles are an alternative to the traditional bow shackles. Whilst they don't replace the bow shackle, some people do find these to be a lighter and safer option. So what do we have? We've got our 14-ton soft shackle and our 20-ton soft shackle. Soft shackles are primarily used for windscreens, snatch blocks, and can also be used for connecting straps, such as tree savers, equalizing straps, and extensions. You can also use them in soft shackle compatible recovery points. So what is the difference and which one will suit yourself? Our standard soft shackle is rated to 14 ton. We typically recommend this up to 14 ton for recovery. Anything greater than 14 ton, we recommend to upgrade to the 20 ton. This will greatly increase the chance of a safe recovery. Both our soft shackles are made from strong synthetic fibre and are also UV and chemical resistant. They're a single splice design with a diamond knot. Both these soft shackles come with their own carry bags, and the 14 ton also features a protected canvas sleeve. We have designed these soft shackles to be vibrant in colour so they can be easily seen during a recovery. Now you may be thinking, these look a lot bigger than your traditional bow shackles, and you're right, but they're still light and easy to handle, can float in water, and are NADA tested, and we back them with a lifetime warranty. For more information on the soft shackles and other CAOS recovery equipment, jump onto the website at caos.com.au.